Photobook tutorial. How to upload an image from your computer. Step 1. Choose the Import Image tab from the left-hand side. Step 2. Then click the Import Image button. Step 3. In the new window that opens, click the My Computer button, then the Upload Your Image button. Step 4. You can now create a new album, or add to an existing one if you have already uploaded images to your account. Step 5. When ready, click the Upload Your Image button to find the images on your computer. You will be able to browse your folders to select your images. Step 6. Once you have chosen your images, you can then click the Open button to upload them. Your images will upload in the background. Step 7. When your images have uploaded, they will appear in the window. You can select each image, or import them all to your project.